Hello YouTube and welcome to Channel AQ. Are you stuck with a really good pair of headphones which you cannot use because they look like this? Not to worry, you've come to the right place. In this video, we are going to replace the earpad cushions on the JBL T450BT wireless headphones. The sad part is that JBL does not sell replacement earpad cushions. Hence, we are going to replace the damaged ones with more generic earpads of the same size. Getting the exact same color can be difficult. I was able to get the black earpads, which I think look just fine. Removing the existing earpads is very simple. Just slide your finger underneath the cushion and tug it towards the side and then up. Applying gentle pressure, we can work our way around the earpiece and the cushion would then slide out. Let's do the same on the other side as well. I was able to get the replacements on Amazon. Except for the color, they are a perfect match for this pair of headphones. I have shared a link in the description below. Let's get on with fixing the new earpads in place. This process is going to be a lot more difficult than removing them, not due to its complexity, but because of the amount of time it takes. You need to have patience when fixing them, and a hasty move could damage the new pads. The earpads have a thin fabric lip that we need to slide into the gap between the earpiece and the housing. Holding it down with one finger, we need to work our way around the earpiece. I'm going to speed this part of the clip because it took me almost 7 minutes to work on either side. Finally, to make sure that they are secure, twist and spin the earpads around the earpiece. The movement should be smooth with very little resistance. And there we have it, as good as new. This also gives you options of trying out some funky and unique color combinations. This will make your headphones stand out. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Hit that subscribe button for more videos in the future. See you guys in the next one.